Welcome, everybody. I'm going to in advance say I'm sorry. I am having problems with words today. So if I say something wrong, I'm sorry in advance. Disclaimer, I'm sorry. All right, so let's get to the tutorial. So the first thing you're going to need to do is get whatever text you want, style, font, whatever, and put it into your video. I use video all the time. If you've watched any other my other tutorials, you know I use video primarily when I make any kind of animation. So I stick with that because you can turn it into a GIF if you need to, if it's very short, and then you can stick it into something else. So everybody has their preference, and that's just mine. So the first thing we're going to need, I have this in my starred. I use it all the time. Now let's see if I can say it correctly. It is a black gradient rectangle. Woo! I said it right. I was having a hard time saying rectangle. You know how many times I stopped and restarted this video just because of that word? Okay, so back to the learning. So what I want to do for at this moment right now is I want to turn it white so I can see what's going on here. I don't really need my text at the moment, so what I'm going to do is put that over the corner so I can set this up the way I want it. So the good thing about this rectangle here is you can change the color of this. So if you go into edit image, I am still using the old editor. One, because it has blur and it has shadows. And I use that all the time, and I'm not willing to give that up for the newfangled stuff they have in the other one at the moment. So until that gets back in there, sorry, I'm using the old one. So I'll go into duotone, and I want this hot pink right here. Oh yeah, hot pink. We're going to apply that. And then what I want to do is the first one I want to use, I'm going to duplicate this, and I want to double it up because I want it nice and thick. And then what you want to do is you want to feather it down. So you want to duplicate it and kind of go down a little bit. How thick you want to go is up to you. And the next thing I would do is go over back up to my elements and get me a good old fashioned square. Now, let me move this one up a little bit because you want to get it where it looks seamless. You don't want to see any of that line. So get it close enough where you can kind of, is it this one right here? Hold on. Hold on, my little ones. See, I do stuff in real time, so it's just, see, position's going to be hard because they all look the same. Yep, that one right there. Let's go this way. Let's use our new little layers function here. And that's this one. Let's put that there. So now you see this color is seamless. There's a little bit of a seam there, so let's pump it back in a little bit more. All right, now that's seamless. So what I want to do here is I want to take this and drop this all the way down because I want to have enough pink back here to, and I'm going to use my arrow key to bump it closer, try to get it as seamless as possible. And then what I want to do after I've done that is I want to go over here and I want to group all this together. And that's why I moved my text over to the corner. So I want to group. So make sure your dark area is the same size of whatever to make sure that all fits in there. Then we'll put that back over there for the moment. I don't think I grouped it, but we'll go back and see. Group. All right. So here's your next step. We're going to go and we want to do our background. So we want our background color to match all this. So we'll get that. If you don't know how to do that, you can go in here and use your color picker and go in here. Let's back it up for somebody who doesn't know how to use the color picker. We'll go in here, use your color picker, and then you want to go to the darkest part here and see, and now that goes with the background. So that's in there and that's seamless. So we want to have this now, center it up. We want to make sure this is in the back. So we're going to go down to the layer, send it to back, and we want to move this over here to where it's non-showing. So now what we want to do, and I found the best way to do this if you're using the new animation tool. If you just go to Animate and use the animation tool, a lot of times that one block that's highlighted is the only thing that's going to move. Even though they're grouped together, sometimes in animation it will only move one piece of your group. So my workaround, my thing for that is actually go here to the group, then go in here. Oh, not there. Excuse me. Go to position, go here, and then I know it's clicked on the entire group, and then do animate. So what we want to do is we want to click our animation button. We want to go in here, push our shift key down because we want it straight, because it does get very wobbly, and you want it to come across till it disappears. And then you'll see it disappear. And then what you want to do, I like to use smooth or steady because I'm just really terrible at that. And you can get the speed to faster or slower, and you can see it dissolve. And done. And that's how you do that one. And if you want to do it the other way, the one easy way that I've found to do that is just duplicate the page, take this, spin it around the other way, go to the other side. What you want to do though, let me see something. I'm going to experiment with you right now. See, the animation's still going the other way. So what you want to do is you want to remove the animation, delete that path, and then come back to position, get that there, hit that, animate, shift, slide it across. Maybe sometimes animation, I don't know if it's me or guide it across, and then you'll have your other side. So you can do that other way if you want to do the whole back and forth thing. So that's kind of how to do that, and that's how you do that one. Next, we will do the scrolling one up. So the only difference with that is you're going to put you'll put your shadow at the top. And when you animate this right here, one tip, do an extra, because if you want it completely off the page and you want to do animation, you have to have, let's see, because it's being weird. Okay. You have to have something to pull with. If you just go through the words and you take it all the way to the bottom, the animation starts on the page. Something has to be on the page. So leave that space right there to do that. So we're going to come over and we're going to animate, drag your creation, and we're going to hit the shift key because I want it straight because I'm not the straightest chick in the world. And then you can go up. See, look at me, look. I'm still making like wigglies, but you get the gist. I'm not all that great. But, you know, let's steady it. We'll go a little bit faster. Done. What we're going to do is we're going to take this, undo. We're going to take this one, swirl it to the top. And we're going to take that. We're going to delete the path because we're just going to leave that one there. And then what we do here now is look, and it's going to go. Let me take this out. Like position. There's one over here somewhere, I swear. Anywho. Where's it? I see it. I see it rolling across. But for that, you don't have to have it rolling across. You want it stagnant there. Let's change this to black, and then we'll be able to see everything. Or white. So we got this one. So it's just this one. But it should not have any animation on it. So when you do play it, like it says, not supposed to have any animation on it. Delete the path. Alright. Come on. Where's my words? See, y'all, I just come on here and I'm just going to fool around. I'm going to play. I mean, I know it might irritate some of y'all, but so is life. I just get on here and I play on Canva, and so I'm just talking to you while I'm playing on Canva. So let's get my position where in the world is. Okay, so I need to let's speed that up some. And that needs to be layer in the back. That's where it is. Oh, hold on. Let me change that back to the point. And let's play that. See what it looks like. And come on, come on, come on. Oh, I did it very fast. I had it turned up fast. But, you know, you can turn it. Bring that up some. And now it just looks pink. No, there it went. And it's... Let's do it very slowly. There we go. There we go. Woo woo! Goodbye, 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 goodbye. All right, guys. I hope you learned a little something, and I'm sorry for just like being the goofy little nerd girl that I am, and I'm sorry if you got straddled listening to me like ramble and stuff like that. I know YouTube tells you not to ramble. YouTube tells you not to do this. Don't do this. Do this. Do that. Whatever. I'm just being a human being talking to other human beings, and hopefully we make something cool. And I let you see me muck up, because every time we do stuff, we muck up. We're not perfect. So with that being said, I hope y'all have a beautiful day. And if you made it this far, please subscribe. Like it if you like it. If you don't, please tell me why and what I can do better. I can't learn unless somebody tells me. So I want y'all to have a great day, and thanks for stopping by. See you later.